Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another declutter video. We're going to be decluttering my setting sprays and my setting powders today. This drawer is such a mess. Everything's kind of mixed in together. So I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out. We're going to start going through it. So we're starting off with setting powder. I do have a few sprays in here as well. I'm running out of room for everything. So hopefully I can go through and get rid of a few things out of here. Starting off, this is a pressed powder. This is the Essence All About Matte. I do really like this powder, so I am going to keep this one. Okay, this Cover Effects, I'm probably not going to keep. It's so old, so I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this one. It was just like a foundation that I used to use as an all-over powder. This is from the Dollar Tree. Now, this one is actually really nice. The packaging is a little hard to open, but this one is kind of like the Essence matte powder, so I'm going to keep this one. Okay, so this is my Morphe setting powder. I should be like wiping these down as I go, just to kind of clean them up a little. So this is the Morphe setting powder. This one is in brightening pink. This is such a good setting powder, affordable. If you're looking for something good but affordable, this one I would recommend. My goodness, this one is so dirty. It has stuff all over it. This is my e.l.f. Halo Glow. This one is in the pink shade. It's called Light Pink. This one is really good as well. I do like the e.l.f. Halo Glow. It doesn't give you like a shiny look or anything, but it isn't drying to your skin. I have some powder puffs in here that I really don't use, so I'll probably get rid of these. Okay, this is my LYS press powder. I really like this. I think this is a really good quality press powder. This one is in the shade Translucent, so I will be keeping that. AOA Perfect. This is from Shop Miss A. This is actually a pretty good pressed powder. This one's in the shade Almond, so I think I'm going to keep this one as well. Givenchy, of course I'm keeping this. This is the original formula. This one is so good. This one was in the shade 3. I love this powder. I want to try their press powder that they came out with. I'm like, I'm going to finish this one up before I splurge on their pressed powder. Okay, It Cosmetics. This thing is so old. This is the Tinted Skin Blurring Finishing Powder. This one was in the shade Tan. I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of this because I haven't used this in years. I don't even know why I still have it. Okay, this is from Pure Cosmetics. I don't really use this. I hate the packaging on this, first of all, but I don't really use this one. I don't know. This is a maybe. I'm gonna stick it over here because I'm thinking. Definitely keeping my Makeup by Mario powder. This is my favorite setting powder that I own. It just looks so beautiful. It does not dry out your under eyes. It doesn't give you that crepey looking skin under your eyes. Highly recommend this one. Kimchi. This one is in the like lavender shade. I am gonna keep this. This is a pretty good setting powder too. She's very finely milled. July Star Loose Setting Powder. I think I got this from Temu. I'm not sure, but I'm going to go ahead and let this one go because I never use it. Okay, One Size Setting Powder. I love this setting powder. This one is in the shade Ultra Pink, and it is very pink. This is like one of the pinker powders that I have. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this one. These setting sprays, I'll just move to the back. Okay, I used to use this all the time. This is Physicians Formula. This one is in the shade Creamy Neutral. This is good for like summertime shade for setting, but it is really good. As you can tell, the container is pretty big. Like the powder is usually filled up to here and it is down to here now. This is definitely a powder that I've used a ton and I really do like it, so I will be keeping this. Okay, so this Revlon Age Defying powder is pretty old. I'm going to go ahead and let go of this one. This is just like a foundation powder that I used to use as a all-over setting powder. Okay, this is from Beauty Creations, and this I really feel like is very comparable to the One Size. The shade pink is such a bright pink. It's beautiful, so I will be keeping this powder. Okay, so I have this. Is this empty? This is almost empty. I mean, it has the tiniest bit of powder in here. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of this. But this is the translucent light shade. Again, the formula on this is really good. So I am going to go ahead and get rid of that because it's basically empty. Juvia's Place. I haven't used this one in so long. This one is in the shade Sahara, and it is like one of their lighter shades. It is kind of yellowy though. For some reason, all of their products are very yellow based. So that's why I really don't use it. I use this one more in summertime when I have tanner skin, so I am gonna keep it. Okay, Believe Beauty. This is actually a really nice setting powder. This one is in the shade Light Medium. It has like a little tint to it, nothing crazy, but it does have like a little tint to it. But again, really nice setting powder. Gonna keep that one. Okay, this is like the, what shade is this? This is shade Medium for the Halo Glow setting powder. This is my summer shade, so I will be keeping this one. Again, this is a really nice drugstore option. Okay, this is the Fit Me Loose Powder. I got this in shade Light Medium. I do like this powder, but I don't think I like it as much as other people like it. It is a good setting powder. It's not bad, but I feel like you have to be careful with this one because if you use too much, it gives you that like crepey under eye look. But I am gonna keep it. It looks nice if you don't use too much. Okay, this is from Shop Miss A. This is the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. This one is in the shade Brightening. I am gonna go ahead and keep this one as well. I just haven't used it in a while, so some of these powders I need to get out and use because I just haven't used them in so long. They just kind of get buried under here. Okay, another IT Cosmetics Tinted Skin Blurring Finishing. This one's in the shade Medium, so this is a different shade. But again, I just haven't used these in so long that I'm just gonna let these go. I've had these things for years and I just haven't used them. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean out my little bin as well. Now I can kind of restack everything in here. Not quite sure how I'm going to restack yet. Powder. This one is definitely going on top because I use it all the time. It's still a little overflowing, but it is better than what it was. I mean, it was super overflowing, so I'm okay with that, I think, because I feel like if I lay them down in there, they're not going to be any better, but not bad. I mean, I did get rid of all of this, so that's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull out all of these setting sprays that I have a ton. So this is the Cali Ray's Surf Proof Setting Spray. I really do like this one. I'm not sure if I would really repurchase it. I feel like I don't really love the smell of it. It kind of smells like, it smells like beach, but it's kind of like saltwater smell or something to it. I don't know. It's a good setting spray. It's not bad. I just don't love the scent of it, so I probably will not repurchase this one, but I am going to keep it. This is from Shop Miss A. I am going to keep this one. This one is almost gone. It's an okay setting spray. Nothing to write home about, but it's like a couple bucks, so I mean, I don't expect a ton. This is probably my favorite setting spray by Makeup by Mario. I love this setting spray. It really does lock your makeup in. It doesn't change the look of your makeup either, which I really love, but it does make your makeup last. Definitely keeping her. This is from the Dollar Tree. This is an okay setting spray from the Dollar Tree. I mean, it's $1.25. I don't expect a ton, so I will keep this for my dollar store videos that I do. Okay, so this is the e.l.f. Power Grip Setting Spray. I don't love this setting spray. There's another one from e.l.f. that I like better. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to use it up, but I will not repurchase this one. I don't love the sprayer on this either. Okay, so this is Cover Effects. Oh my gosh, I don't know how long I've had this. It's supposed to be a illuminating setting spray. I just sprayed a little bit on my hand because I'm like, I don't even know. I'm probably going to go ahead and get rid of this one because I couldn't even tell you the last time I used this. Okay, Iconic London. I love these Prep Set Glow. When you shake them up, they are gorgeous. This one is like the pink shimmery one. I also have the really bronzy one. These are beautiful in summer. If you don't like a lot of glow, this does have like shimmer particles in it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see on camera. Oh my gosh, the smell is like, takes me back. But it does have like little bits of shimmer in here when you use it. So it's like a little bit of a glitter balm on your face. These are really great for body as well because, there we go. I think you can see the bronze one a little better. It's really beautiful on the skin though. I love glitter, so I love this setting spray. But it does give you a really beautiful like shimmer sheen to your skin. But again, if you don't love glitter, then you're not going to love these because it is like very fine glitter in these. I love them for summer though. Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I really do like this setting spray. It's nice. I want to try the MCO Beauty one though because this one is pricey. This is nice though. It does give you like a really nice airbrush look, but it also kind of gives your skin like a radiance to it. So this is a nice setting spray. It's just a little pricey. LYS Natural Finish Setting Spray. I really do like this one. It blurs, it's mattifying, it's setting. It gives you that really nice airbrush look with this setting spray as well. Essence Fix and Last. I've only used this a couple of times. I haven't used it a ton. I will keep it, but it's supposed to be like a waterproof. Maybe I'll test it out a little more, especially with summer coming up. But yeah, I really don't remember a ton about this setting spray because I've only used it like a few times. This Tarte Stay-In Spray, I haven't used it because the sprayer is like, oh, did I lie? Oh my gosh. I tried to use it before and the sprayer wouldn't work. Okay, so cool. The sprayer is back working. The last time I tried to use the setting spray, the sprayer wasn't working. So I, got it to work now. It's spraying a little weird, but that's okay. Cool that it's working, so we can use that one now. I was just gonna add a different sprayer to it, but it actually smells really good too, now that I got setting spray everywhere. Okay, oh my gosh, this thing is so old. Yeah, this is such an old setting spray. I think I'm gonna let this one go. I actually have two of them. They're still kind of got a little bit in here, but yeah, they're so old. I'm just going to get rid of these. Kimchi. This is the Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray. I really do like the setting spray. It does make your makeup last. It is mattifying. I do really like this one. This is great for summertime. It does lock your makeup in. So if you're going to be sweating or anything like that, this is a really good setting spray. One size, same thing, On Till Dawn. This is really great. Locks your makeup in. This is like hairspray for your face. That's exactly what it smells like. And I also have the little mini size that I haven't used yet because I still am using the big one. I really only use this in summertime when I know that I'm going to be outside and it's going to be hot because I do have dry skin, so I don't really like my makeup to be real mattifying, but this one locks your makeup in. Beauty Creations, I've used this a couple of times. This is a pretty decent setting spray. It's nothing bad about it, and it is pretty affordable. This setting spray from e.l.f., this is the Stay All Night. I like this setting spray. This is probably my favorite setting spray from e.l.f. This is the one that I would purchase again and again. Okay, this is a Dewy Coconut, and I feel like this one kind of gives you like too dewy. It makes your face kind of look, I don't know if greasy is the right word, but it kind of doesn't dry down on your face. So like you spray this and your face is kind of like tacky or sticky feeling after this one. I've only used it a couple times because I usually don't love how like tacky my skin is after it, but I still do have it. I need to start using it as like a prep, but I just don't get it out and use it that often. Okay, so this is the Stay All Day Blue Light Setting Spray. This is an okay, but again, I would purchase the green one over any setting spray from e.l.f. Just personal preference. This is the Believe Beauty Setting Spray. This is a decent setting spray, affordable. You get it from the Dollar General. Nothing bad about it. I do like it. I do use it every so often. It's just like a natural setting spray. The Beauty Crop Vitamin Babe. This is a hydrating setting spray. Yeah, okay, this one does give your skin like a little bit of glow because it has that vitamin C, so it does give you like a little bit of glow to your skin, so I do like this one. This is Power Up. I don't even know, it looks like it's kind of separated in there. I guess you have to shake it. I haven't even used this. What is this? Use under makeup to prep skin, over makeup to set. So you could use it for either or. I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this because I don't even know. I haven't even used this in so long. So I'm going to let that one go too. Okay, so let's go ahead and restock some of these in here. And hopefully I can fit them all. Put the bigger ones to the back. I have a ton of these e.l.f. ones here. Kind of fit these little ones in here. See, this is the problem, like that's like it. That's all I can fit in this container. I'll just have to stack these on the side, I guess. Okay, so I mean, not terrible. I should have wiped these off. I am gonna go through and just kind of wipe these down really quick. Okay, so I didn't do the greatest with the setting sprays. I only got rid of 4, but that is better than what I had before. Okay, you guys, so this is what my drawer looks like now. It does look a little better than what it did before, so I am happy with this. I didn't get rid of a ton, but I did get rid of a few things to make a little bit of room. It looks a little more organized in here. But as always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and going through my makeup, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!